Welcome back to my channel. Now in this video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments. All of their links will be in the description as where you can check them out directly. Now, let's get into it and I'll see you on the next video.
Sure.
Bend your head down and then back up again. Gonna turn.
Oh, fuck. Sorry.
How did that feel?
Good.
Right in there. Small one. Did you hear it?
Yes. Feels.
Is that okay?
No, it feels like better.
Okay. It's a lot of release, correct?
Yeah.
Up, I want this to relax like this. So I'm going to put these on your ankles to stretch you, okay?
Okay, no problem.
So it goes like this, and it goes like this, and then the table starts to move.
Oh.
And it stretches the lower back.
Oh, that feels good.
Good. So we're just trying to open this up a little bit. And if I compress here as the table pulls away, it gives her a stretch. But I can add to it by pushing down and compressing through here. And you could feel the pull, right? It's pulling your back,
Yeah.
making it stretch. I'm holding up here and holding up here. Good. Does it feel good, like therapeutic?
Yes, definitely.
Now this is going to be a little painful here. Sometimes I ask for people to give me a number and you gave me the number. I didn't have to ask you. How about here? What number?
6, 7.
All right. So I'm going to lift your shirt maybe 10 centimeters, okay?
Sure.
I only heard one little one, did you? Or did you not hear it at all?
No, I feel it then.
Just one. Sometimes it makes big pops, yours didn't. But I just wanted to try it to see if we could hear anything.
I do a lot of stretch at home, so maybe that helps.
Yeah. Do you do like yoga or Pilates or?
I do yoga at least 3 times per month at least. Especially back bend.
Yeah. Okay, so right now I'm at the thoracics up here. And lift your head up and pull your hair through. Oh, did I do a good job? Did I get it?
Yeah.
And before we start, I'm going to let you feel the stretch, okay? And make sure it's not on your ears.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Is it touching your ears or
No.
okay? Okay, so this time I'm going to do a real one. I pull and then go boom, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Big breath in, blow it out. I'm going to do one now.
Oh! Oh my god, I got what you're saying. Oh my god. Okay, it didn't hurt. It just felt like something was.
Yeah. So now I'm going to take this away, okay? Take a breath in. Oh, blow it out. Big breath in. And blow it out. So I'm going to look more at your neck, a little more in the neck.
Sure.
And I'll give you warning again, okay? I'll always tell you now. Like there's one here that I still want to get, okay? Big breath in. And blow it out. Okay. May I adjust this spot here? Right there? Okay. How did that feel?
Good.
I'll give you a chance to relax. There's still one more on the other side. Do you want to do it?
Sure.
Okay. It's right here at C5. Little one, did you hear it? That one. Right in there. Look this way, though. Turn towards her. Ready? More. There's more. Good.
Good.
There's more. So you can relax your arms now. I'm going to pull on your leg a little bit, okay? Got it. So your ankle went.
Yeah.
Good. Lie on your side facing me. Let me have your wrist. Perfect. Hold here. I'm going to put my hand through like this, and you hold this strong. I'm going to adjust into here. Make this a little stronger. There you go. You ready? Got it. Just one. Let's see if I can follow up and get a little more.
Yeah.
A lot more.
Yeah.
Are you? This is your last time ever doing this, right?
No, actually, it's good.
Okay. I'm gonna do a. So I'm not gonna do the little one. I'm gonna go right to the big one.